Pfizer is asking the FDA now to authorize its improved COVID shots.
Now, these boosters promise better protection against Omicron variants. Chris Tanaka joins us now to explain. Welcome news, Chris.
Yeah, that's right, Lisa. And if these shots get the go-ahead, they could be available in just a few weeks. Now, the booster doses are already in production while Pfizer waits for that authorization. The U.S. government has already bought more than 1 million doses, so they're ready to go. Pfizer's booster application coming on the same day a new report said our highly vaccinated population in Massachusetts fared well against COVID waves this spring. Research from a doctor at Brigham and Women's found deaths did not go above expected numbers. That's important because during other waves of the pandemic, mortality was up to twice its normal rate. Of course, that doesn't mean the fight is over.
We still aren't out of the emergency here because people are getting hospitalized, they're missing work in school or getting long COVID. And so we can't just ignore the fact that this virus is still with us just because we have a good outcome in one place.
Yeah, sure. Dr. Faust says a booster, particularly one tailored to the variants, could help people stay out of the hospital in the months to come.
An unexpected batch of monkeypox vaccine will be coming to Philadelphia. The health commissioner revealed that news today. This comes as the number of cases in the city continue to increase.
And community and health leaders are now vowing to correct the racial inequities in vaccine distribution. CBS 3 health reporter Stephanie Still is here with all of the updates. This is very interesting.
Lots going on again today. Well, first of all, Philadelphia now has 257 cases of monkeypox in the city. That is a 27% increase over last week. But fortunately, the city will be getting a big new supply of vaccine.
We will be getting an extra 3,505 vials of vaccine.
Philadelphia's health commissioner announcing additional doses of monkeypox vaccine will be coming to the city. Last week, there was a cutback. It's been a roller coaster of ups and downs, with distribution from federal supplies changing almost weekly.
That gets us a much better supply.
Dr. Bedical was among a number of community and health leaders at the Mazzoni Center addressing the monkeypox outbreak.
We must make sure quality care is getting to those who need it the most.
The health leaders say a priority will be getting the vaccine to members of the African American community that has had more cases but lower rates of vaccination.
Unfortunately, it's a story we've seen before.
Dr. Ayla Stanford, who started the Black Doctors Consortium in Philadelphia to deal with vaccine inequities during the pandemic, is now the regional director for Health and Human Services.
We have to have trusted messengers, leaders, providers administering the vaccine, doing the educating.
Health Department vaccine clinics will be expanding to community groups. More monkeypox vaccine will now be administered in neighborhoods and also at gay pride events, targeting the community most at risk.
It is not a gay disease. It can impact anybody, but the LGBTQIA plus community, there is a long history here of understanding what can happen when an outbreak is isolated, overlooked, and then it expands out to a broader population. Now, Philadelphia health officials say there are about 12,000 people in the city who should be getting 2 shots of the vaccine, and this will be the new smaller doses that doctors say are safe and effective.